Ever wondered how to get started with Microsoft Excel? Well, you're not alone. Microsoft Excel is an undeniable powerhouse, a versatile tool used worldwide for tasks as varied as data analysis, budgeting, project management, and so much more. So, how do we dive in? It's as simple as opening the application. If you're on Windows, you'll find Excel nestled within your Start menu. For Mac users, check out your Applications folder. Now that you've successfully launched Excel, it's time to create your first workbook. Ready to create your first workbook? Here's how you do it. Upon launching Microsoft Excel, you'll be met with a warm welcome screen. This is your starting point, your canvas, if you will, for all the incredible things you'll do with Excel. But first, let's create a new workbook. You can do this by simply clicking on the New button. A list of options will pop up, but for now, let's go with Blank Workbook. One click and voila! You have your first workbook ready to be filled with data, calculations, charts, and so much more. Now let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the layout of a workbook. You'll notice it's divided into rows and columns, and where they intersect, we have what's called a cell. This grid-like layout is the backbone of Excel and where all your data will live. So how do you enter data? Just click on a cell and start typing. You can enter anything from text, numbers, to dates. Once you're finished, simply hit enter and your data is saved in that cell. It's that easy. You can navigate between cells using your keyboard arrows or by clicking on a cell with your mouse. And there you have it. You've just created your first workbook in Microsoft Excel. Congratulations! Now don't forget, the more you practice, the better you'll get. So go ahead, experiment and create your own workbooks. And remember to check out our other tutorials in the Excel Beginner's Guide series on the Power of Teaching channel.